Hey, it's Braden from Mad Dog Cycles, and today we're going to talk about our silver service package. What it is, why you should consider it, and when you should bring your bike in to get serviced. So the important parts of the silver are a lot of the same things as the bronze. So we do a multi-point inspection, checking all the wear items on your bike. We clean the frame, polish it up a little bit. We have some extra bike cleaning supplies that we'll use to make it shine. We'll take the wheels off again, clean them, true them. It also includes the hub adjustments. The other really important thing about the silver service is that we take your drivetrain completely off. So we take off the chain rings, cassette, derailleur, front derailleur, chain. We put them on our parts washer, scrub them real clean, and then we put them back on, adjusting the shifting and the brakes. After that, we'll lube it up again after we've cleaned it, do a test ride to QC it. And then for the mountain bike packages, for the silver MTB, we also do brake bleeds, just like the bronze, and it also includes a fork or shock lower service. Why should you consider a silver service package? A great reason why to do the silver service package is that it has all the benefits of the bronze with the addition of the drivetrain cleaning. That can be really important for the life of your drivetrain, especially here in Utah with how dusty and dry it is. You get a lot of kind of grit and contaminants that end up collecting on the drivetrain, and they build up over time. They cause your drivetrain to wear a lot more than it should. So it's good to bring it in, get it cleaned. Can definitely prolong the life of your cassette and chain. And it also makes your bike look real nice. We also offer the MTB packages for mountain bikes. Those are really important because it just ensures that your brakes are in proper working order, that you've got sealant in your tires and they're not going to go flat, and that your fork or shock are working properly and helping you shred on the trail. Generally for the silver service package, we recommend about every 100 riding hours. If you're not really sure how to track those riding hours, we have a blog post in the description that can help you figure that out. So if you aren't sure what service package you need, feel free to bring your bike in. We can do our multi-point inspection and get you taken care of. If you guys have any other questions, just leave them in the comments down below and we'll cover them in future videos. We'll see you soon.